Today I'm gonna spend my day at a friend's house, just helping her out. She needed help and I was available to help. So how much do you value your friends and your friendships? So I just start my day with a morning walk, and once I am done, I will be back in the house and I'm gonna spend the day as a help, just doing all the house chores that are needed. And come with me. I am sure you will love it, and she has a very beautiful house. Please stick around and let's do this. So I will start by drawing out the curtains and just cleaning the living room. Yeah, it was a bit messy from last night, and not so messy but a bit messy, and I had also done a thorough cleaning prior, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of a reset, and you will see how it turns out and how beautiful it is. So thank you, and yeah, let's do this.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Now I'm just going to wipe the carpet with a broom. Yeah, it has just a few food particles and it's not the fluffy type, so it is easy to clean. I'm just wiping it with a broom and it will be good to go.
You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
So this is under the stairs. We had a lot of clothes, and you can imagine the sun here is not sunning at all, so I just have one bucket of dry clothes and the other one I was putting it out so that I can dry it later when the sun comes up. Yeah, and there's not much to do here, just a little bit of wiping because it was not so dirty. And guys, this is how the living room looks like. I love the blend of colors. I love how her living room looks. The choice of colors just complement each other, and I love these beautiful prints on the pillows. Yeah, and this is her TV stand and the TV area, and it looks absolutely amazing. I also love how long the windows are. They are long and beautiful, and this is the outlook. And guys, don't you just love the blend of gold and beige? It looks really amazing, and the maroon really breaks the color. This little basket here is where she keeps her throw blankets, the one that she uses on the seats, yeah, when it is cold.
But I've known you too.
And this is the dining area. We're also going in with beige and brown. Yeah, and it looks really nice. Look at this beautiful centerpiece, this flower vase. She has a taste of design, a bit of design here and there, and it looks really nice. I love it. This is the console table. Don't you just love how beautiful and unique it looks like?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me.
Then we have these beautiful decorations down here that are vintage.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Once I was done with the living room, we are now in the kitchen. So this is how it is. Of course, we have a lot of dirty utensils, and that maize came in last night. We're gonna do it for breakfast, and that is the leftover food from last night. Yeah, and just join me as I tidy this place up. I'm going to keep away all the leftover foods. It will be eaten later or on another day. Yeah, we don't throw food, guys. So this is how we look like after tidying up. I love the outcome. I also love this unique holder for the kitchen towel and the sugar dish. They look really nice. So now I'm also going to keep away these leftover dengu and mboga from the previous evening. Yeah, and tidy up the cooker. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. So I'm going to put on tea and uji for mom and tea for mom also, because we have a small baby. So yeah, I'm not even going to use majani because she's just taking cocoa and Milo only, not tea leaves, for the sake of the milk. As the porridge gets ready, I got this hack of lighting a jiko with the fire from gas, but let me just say it backfired. The makaa did not light, but yeah, I attempted because I was making uji. Yeah, I did not waste the gas. Najua itabia tuko wengi. After removing uji, what next? I'm going to clean the cooker again because uji spilled. In the meantime, I'm removing and hanging. I removed and hung all the clothes. Yeah, because they were already washed, some even for 2 days, and coming back when my jiko is soaked and just wiping it up. It to make it look nice. Yeah, and then afterwards we are going to cook the maize because we are going to use it for breakfast. Yeah. So I will tidy up finally this place, and then we go to washing of the utensils. They were a bit much, not so much, but zilikuwa mingi kidogo, so we're just going in to wash the utensils, and once we are done, I think our breakfast will be almost ready.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows.
After clearing the sink, we are now going to wash baby's things, the pump and everything. Yeah, I couldn't do this before, and they will be going into the white baskets.
Never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So here I'm just removing the mats and cleaning up the floor and changing the uchafu, the bag. Yeah. So finally here is a small tour of her kitchen. It's a modern and lovely kitchen, guys, and you can see, I hope you love it. I love how it has come out to be. It's really nice and beautiful and clean, yeah, and fresh.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Our maize is also ready.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
I'll also be clearing this back area. This is the balcony at the back of the kitchen. Now it's tea time. We are taking tea with maize and we are done for the morning. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this moment. I don't take it for granted. Bye and see you in my next video.